Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we are exploring an important topic, how artificial intelligence, AI, is helping farmers grow better crops, save resources, and make farming smarter. Farmers have always been innovators, and now with AI, they have powerful tools to tackle challenges like unpredictable weather, pests, and soil management. You are in the right place if you are curious about how AI changes agriculture. Let's explore this exciting journey. Artificial intelligence in farming means using advanced technologies like computers, drones, and sensors to make farming smarter. AI analyzes data about weather, soil, crops, and pests to help farmers make better decisions. It's like having a super smart assistant that tells you the best time to plant, water, or harvest your crops. This leads to higher yields and saves time, money, and resources. Example: imagine AI that tells you exactly when it's going to rain or which areas of your farm need water. This is already happening. One of the most exciting uses of AI is precision agriculture. This means using AI to monitor every part of the farm and apply the right amount of water, fertilizer, and pesticides only where they're needed. AI uses drones and sensors to collect data about the farm. For example, drones can scan your fields and find which plants need extra care. Sensors can measure the moisture in the soil and tell you exactly how much water to use. Key insight: with AI, farmers can reduce waste, save money, and protect the environment by using fewer chemicals. Weather is one of the biggest challenges for farmers. AI helps predict weather patterns with incredible accuracy, giving farmers the power to plan. For example, AI can tell you the best days to plant seeds based on upcoming weather. It can warn you about storms or droughts so you can prepare in advance. Example: imagine an app that alerts you when there's a risk of frost so you can protect your crops. This is already happening with AI-powered tools. Pests and diseases can destroy crops, but AI is here to help. With image recognition technology, AI can identify pests and diseases early, often before they spread. Farmers can take pictures of infected plants, and AI tools analyze the images to recommend solutions. AI can also monitor pest activity in the field using sensors and suggest the best times to apply pesticides. Key example: AI apps like Plantix and Turnies are helping farmers around the world fight crop diseases. Water is a precious resource, and AI is helping farmers use it wisely. AI-powered irrigation systems use sensors to check soil moisture levels and weather forecasts. They then deliver just the right amount of water where it's needed. This not only saves water but also ensures crops get the right amount to grow healthy. Key insight: smart irrigation systems powered by AI are especially useful in areas facing water shortages. AI isn't just for crops, it's also changing how farmers manage livestock. AI tools monitor animals' health, diet, and activity levels to ensure they're healthy and productive. For example, sensors in barns track temperature and air quality to keep animals comfortable. AI-powered cameras can detect if an animal is sick and alert the farmer. Key example: some farmers use AI to identify cows ready for milking, reducing stress for the animals. AI helps farmers reduce costs by cutting down on waste, saving resources, and improving efficiency. For example, less fertilizer and pesticide mean lower expenses. Better crop yields mean higher profits. Key insight: by investing in AI tools, farmers can see big savings and long-term benefits. While AI is amazing, there are challenges. Some farmers may find AI tools expensive or difficult to use. Others may not have access to the internet or electricity. Governments and organizations need to support farmers by providing affordable AI tools and training. Key insight: AI has great potential, but we need to ensure it's accessible for all farmers. The future of AI in farming looks exciting. Imagine robots planting seeds, drones spraying pesticides, and AI predicting global food shortages. AI can help farmers feed the growing population while protecting the planet. As technology improves, AI tools will become more affordable and user-friendly, making them accessible to all farmers. To sum up, AI is revolutionizing agriculture by helping farmers grow more food, use fewer resources, and make better decisions. While challenges remain, the future looks bright for AI-powered farming. What do you think about AI in farming? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting content. See you next time.